2:12.
It is 2:12 p.m. this afternoon. We got the CSX m316-26 eastbound mixed freight train. They're headed over to the Grafton, West Virginia. We'll continue to run onto it, heading east towards the Cumberland, at the end of the destination to the Cumberland, Maryland, to one of the terminates at the Cumberland Yard. So let's check it out. All right, let's get away from the engineer to see what happens. All right, let's get away to the engineer to see how the quality is on this one. It's gonna be into the break, but won't last long, man. I'm going out. Similar line train to CSX m316-26 eastbound mixed freight train. That train originates from the Cincinnati, Ohio Queensgate Yard, heads east to the Cumberland, Maryland, where it terminates at the Cumberland Yard on this Saturday, November 26, 2022, for Josh Raynham YouTube channel. So let's listen to the defect detector milepost 209.0 instead of the number 4 near Shinston. So let me think on myself, though. Here we go. CSX detector milepost 299.0. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 396. Detector out. C6E 727. Total axle counts 396. No defects, dispatcher.